In this example, we are going to cover building a customized report in QuickBooks. For this example, I'm using the QuickBooks Premier Account Edition 2010. So if you're using a different version of the software, your screen may vary slightly. For this example, what we want to do is we want to create a report showing all of the service items that we sold to customers who frequent a particular store during the months of January and February 2011. We're going to want to sort the report and total by customer, and we only want the report to display the type of transaction, the date, the transaction number, customer name, city, item, account, and amount. So in order to start, we're going to click on the Reports menu. And we're going to select Custom Transaction Detail Report. The dates that we want to display for this report are going to be custom. And we want to display from January 1st, 2011 to February 28th, 2011. And we're going to want to select in the Total By drop-down box, Customer. And we're going to select OK. And you'll see that our report displays. First of all, the report here shows more column information than what we want to display. It also shows all of the transactions, not just the service items. And it's not filtered just to show the clients that live and frequent the Walnut Creek location. You'll see in our class field we also have some of the San Jose stores listed. So we want to go back and modify this report to show only the information that we want. So in order to do that, we're going to click Modify Report. And in the columns section, we are going to select only the columns that we want to display here. We want to display the city, so we need to select that checkbox there. We also want to find item and check that. Then also we have our extra columns that are showing up that we need to deselect. So we need to clear split and cleared. And balance. I think that gives us everything that we need. So now we're going to click on the Filters tab. We want to filter by item. And we're going to select all services. So that way all the service items will show up on the report and not everything in its entirety. And we also want to filter by name and city name. So we'll only have those customers that live in Walnut Creek. So we're going to select name city. And we're going to type in Walnut Creek. And that'll give us our report showing sales of services to all customers that live in Walnut Creek. Now, if we want to be able to use this report again from month to month, we're going to want to memorize the report. So in order to do that, we can click Memorize in the top toolbar. And we're going to want to name our report. So we are going to name it Sales of Services to Walnut Creek Customers. We also have the option to save the memorized report in a group, which means that you can select the group and run all of the reports in that group at one time. So if we had wanted to do that, we can pick which group here. That way, when we go back to it, we can run multiple reports at a time, or we can just choose to pick one. So we're going to go ahead and select customers here. We can group it in with our customers and select OK. If we close out of this report and we want to go back to it and rerun the report, we can go to the report menu, memorize report, and we saved it under our company group, or our customer group listing, sorry. And here you'll see our sales of services to Walnut Creek customers. We can open up that report and our report displays again. And